Hello all. Firstly, I would like to thank Center for Management Studies, Jamia Millia Islamia, and the conference on organizing team of IMC for giving me the opportunity to present my research paper in IMC 2021. My name is Ankita Sharma. I am a PhD research scholar at JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. The co-author of my paper is Dr. Swati Sharma, working as an associate professor in JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. The title of my paper is Coping with COVID-19 Pandemic, Case of Small Tourism Companies. On 12th March 2020, a World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a pandemic. The outbreak of COVID-19 has affected the travel and tourism industry adversely. The highly contagious virus has put the whole tourism industry on knees due to the unavoidable restrictions imposed by the government on the mobility of people in the form of lockdowns and various travel restrictions. Such a slowdown of the tourism industry raises serious questions about the revival of the tourism industry. Tourism businesses are struggling to survive in this situation. Tourism industry is considered as a backbone of a country's economy, as the industry is a great source of generating income to the government. In tourism industry, major proportion of the companies are small and fragmented and having larger in proportion. These small tourism companies are considered as pillars of many tourism destinations. The severely affected small tourism companies are facing difficulty in the recovery and revival of the business. So, it is important to examine the strategies adopted by small tourism companies to revive business and cope with the pandemic. The literature on pandemics and tourism revealed that previous studies in the domain of pandemics and tourism, researchers have examined the influence of Ebola, SARS, swine flu, Zika virus, and influenza on tourism. Literature also posits that pandemics have affected travel and tourism largely and very badly. Despite being an important topic, shockingly, there is limited research on the connection between pandemics and tourism. That too, studying the interrelationship between pandemics and tourism in terms of risk and economic aspects. The effect of COVID 19 is more severe among small tourism companies as they are facing difficulty in revival of the business due to lack of financial backup. Adverse effects of COVID 19 pandemic on the tourism industry may be reduced with the help of effective innovative strategies as there is a change in the traveling pattern now. Small tourism companies have the capability to respond to the crisis in more agile and adaptive manner, uh, exclusively due to their locally rooted nature. Hence, it is important to explore the strategies adopted by small tourism companies to revive their business in the situation of COVID-19 pandemic. The research objective is formulated as to examine the strategies adopted by small tourism companies to revive business and cope with the pandemic related business loss. For the methodology, qualitative case study method has been used. Open-ended questions were asked from the respondents and written responses were taken. For sampling, purposive sampling was used to select the respondents. A sample of small tourism companies that employ less than or equal to 20 employees were taken. Content analysis was used to analyze the data collected from the small tourism companies. These are the themes and sub-themes that have emerged after analyzing the data. There are three themes. The first theme is innovative ideas. The small tourism companies are assuring safety to the consumer as this is the foremost requirement for the business in the current situation. This is the only way, assuring safety is the only way of building confidence of tourists and travelers. Tourism companies have revamped their strategies as they are posting digital content like images and videos about safety, hygiene, and sanitization. They and their business partners are maintaining on regular basis on different digital platforms. Uh, the second sub-theme emerged as engaging and educating. There is a need to revive passion for tourism in the minds of consumers, for which staying in touch with them is very important. Small tourism companies have started engaging their existing and prospective clients by organizing live sessions on Facebook and Instagram uh, to engage customers. They are also posting content about rules, regulations, and policies of government that are changing very frequently these days, as per the situation of COVID-19 in different areas. The next sub theme is vocal for local. Tourism companies are promoting domestic tourism and local destination to revive business in the slowdown, to support the economy and to support vocal for local campaign. There is very little or no business in the tourism sector these days, and small tourism companies are unable to compete on grounds of price with big companies, in which the majority of shares are held by some foreign companies. In order to support small and local businesses engaged in the tourism sector and to help secure tourism sector jobs, vocal for local campaign uh, should be supported. This is the perception of small tourism companies. And the last sub theme in the first theme is reconsidering business model. Uh, the small tourism companies are uh, reconsidering their business model as a crisis may induce the need of novel business models and strategies in order to describe the possibilities of survival of the companies. The second theme is offering safe and sustainable tourism options. Tourism companies are offering uh, new products and services in the form of safer transportations, offbeat destinations, staycation, work from home, etc. They are providing safer transportation options like caravan, personal cabs to the travelers. For offbeat destinations, they are promoting local destinations where usually there is no crowd or very limited crowd. India is abundant with these kind of places and destinations that are often referred as hidden gems. Some of the tourism companies are even exploring these local destinations themselves. The last theme is uh, adopted and suggested practices. Uh, Small tourism companies are using digital platforms very frequently these days, and they are promoting their packages on different digital and social media platforms to increase their reach and obtain business during this difficult time. And they are focusing on quality instead of price. Uh, they are providing hygienic and safe tourism options to the travelers. For the role of government, tourism companies perceive that government should empower and support the existing companies by communicating with the stakeholders on regular basis, provide them assurance of support, and ask them for their suggestions and try to mitigate the problems they are facing. Government should also provide them financial support by reducing fees, forest fees, mountain or entrance fees, and reducing taxes. Additionally, government should make provisions in collaboration with banks for granting easy loans with minimum rate of interest to the companies. The study provides theoretical implications to the tourism researchers and academicians, uh, and provide the future scope to the tourism researchers who can conduct similar studies in different locations. The study offers strategies to cope with the pandemic related business loss and hence provide practical implications to tourism companies, marketing and management practitioners, and policymakers. Thank you so much.